Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to check IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one. So at the very beginning, open the phone the other. Then enter a secret code, which is *pound or 6 pound. And that's it. Now you can see your IMEI number. Tap on OK to go back. And then let's go to second method. It's opening this IMEI number through the settings. So obviously open the settings. Then scroll down and tap on About Phone. And here go to the very bottom of the list and pick Status. And now you can check the IMEI number over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.